enforcement agencies within the region, for example, the NBI, since they are part of, para may check and balance din sila. Not only the PNP, but the NBI as well, and other law enforcement within the area.
Yeah. Okay. NBI, can you kindly tell us, anong...
Before
Yeah, please.
I was listening to General Lucas kanina. You confiscated millions of pesos. Where's the money now?
Nasaan yan?
As part of the evidence, Your Honor.
Ano mo
Nasa korte po.
masabi mo na evidence niyan at large ngayong ano eh? Because under the law, you have to deposit that the following day. Bawal yun. So my question is, where's the money right now? Hindi naman lahat na na-confiscate ninyo na nahuli yung perpetrators or those engaged in illegal. But there are also na tumakbo, especially yung mga sabong-sabong, pagtakbo niyan, may pera. My question is, where's the money right now?
Yung mga cases na na-file through regular filing, ibig sabihin wala yung tao, Your Honor. Kasama po yung evidence confiscated doon sa sinasubmit po natin sa korte. So basically, yung mga confiscated na money is deposited sa court po, Your Honor.
How about the rest?
Wala pong the rest,
Can you
Your Honor.
produce the 7 million to us?
Siguro kailangan nating sabihan yung korte, Your Honor.
Okay,
It is not with us,
I'll
Your
make a
Honor.
motion to that. You submit that in the next committee hearing. I want certification coming from the court that you deposited 2 million, 3 million, and so on and so forth. Can you produce that? Or
We will try, Your Honor, to coordinate with the court, Your Honor.
yeah, because this is people's money eh. Baka, I'm sorry, I have a dirty mind. Baka, wala na yon. 2023 to 24 or 2020 pa. That's amounting to 7 million. So that's why I'm asking, where's the confiscated money right now?
We'll try to coordinate with the courts, Your Honor, kung
Okay.
saan po naka-file yung mga cases.
Pero sa palagay mo, General, lahat ba? May mga apprehension ba? For example, sa illegal sabong, di ba pagdating ng pulis, takbuhan yan lahat?
Opo, sir, pero may mga nahuhuli rin po, sir.
No. Ito lang ano, di ba pagdating ng pulis, takbo yan? May mga bet dyan sa loob.
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan dinilagay yung pera? Sa
Sir,
inyo?
Yung perang bet money, Your Honor.
Yes, na-confiscate kasi takbuhan na yon.
Sir,
Why
kasama
should
po,
I bother 1,000,
Kung,
2,000 pesos?
kung nakatakbo po yung tao, kasama na po yung perang naitakbo niya, pero yung mga nahuhuli po natin
No.
is...
I will disagree with you, General Lucas. Kasi pagtakbo ng tao, he or she don't mind the money that he put it there. Ang nasa mind niya, paano ako maka-escape? So yung pera na nandyan, I'm asking, where's the money? Kasi sa pera ng tao,
Your Honor, as one of
that
the...
should be deposited to the Bureau of Treasury eh. Anyway, can you submit that in the next when the next committee hearing
Yes, Your Honor.
with all the certification?
Yes, Your
7
Honor.
million yan
Opo.
as of ito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Otherwise, hindi naman ako magaling ng mathematics pero I know a little ano naman.
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
we'll do that.
Okay,
Thank
RD, pakisabit na lang po sa amin yung ating certificate. And
Yes, Your
at the same
Honor.
time, RD, can I ask kung ano yung conviction rate natin sa mga illegal gambling cases natin? Meron ba tayong how many are yung conviction rate? Kung ilan talaga yung na-convict na natin sa illegal numbers games? Meron ba tayong ganun? Or for that purpose, lahat na ng illegal gambling?
As of this time, Your Honor, wala po kaming data with regards to the conviction rate, but we'll try to coordinate with the courts, Your Honor,
Yeah, please.
na makakuha.
So, ang gawin na lang natin siguro yung category, lahat. Para makita natin kung ano yung mga illegal gambling na talagang mataas ang conviction rate sa mga mababang mga illegal gambling. Kasi iba-iba yan eh. Meron diyang bookies, meron diyang pekwa, o meron dyan yung beto-beto. O meron. Kasi yung mga yon, yung mga maliliit na yon, basically, alam natin, walang kita doon eh. Walang kita doon, kaya yun, hindi pinapansin yun eh. Pero pag nakita mo yung mga illegal numbers games, dito na tumataas, makikita mo. Doon sa presentation niya, kita-kita natin, mataas yung illegal numbers games eh. Kaya makikita mo, kung kukumpara mo siya sa ibang illegal games that is being used by our people, kitang-kita mo yung illegal numbers games ang pinakamataas sa lahat. Di ba? Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh yes. Oh, in other words, kung gano'n na yun ang pinakamataas, so meaning, there must be something on it. Dahil bakit mataas yun? Di ba? So before I recognize Congressman Paduano and Congressman Busita, the Chair would like to recognize muna si General Leo Francisco.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I can give you the conviction rate of Region 4A from the year 2021 until February 2024. So out of 11,472 cases or operations, 34% of it was filed in court.
How many?
34% or
Out of
about
the
3,861.
So out of the 11,400 cases of illegal gambling, sa lahat na yan, total.
It's a 4A only. For,
Yes, oh.
yes.
11,400 cases of illegal gambling,
3,861 were filed in court.
3,861 filed. Conviction.
About 21% or 814 were convicted.
814 is convicted. And what is the classification of the 814 conviction?
Sir, we will provide
Yan.
this
So we need to
committee.
find out kung ano yung
Thank you.
matataas na conviction. We have discussed that. I remember, tama si Congressman Acop, when we were together with Congressman Danny Suarez during that time, we have discussed that lengthily. And we were able to find out that the franchise that being issued by the PCSO does not need yung sa local government. And we subscribe on that. Yung mga station, betting station natin na nakalagay. Allowed yan. But, ito yung tinatanong ko kanina pa eh. From the moment na tumaya na yung tao, nakuha na nila yung mga taya, ililipat na nila to ngayon sa estasyon, doon sa anong pa tawag doon, parang ponduhan, para anong tawag doon, meron silang tinatawag na pinaka-station. Doon na nila dadalhin yung pera eh. Noong mga nakakubra eh. Ang nangyayari dyan, doon nangyayari yung pagbibiyak eh. Na nilalagay nila sa legal, saka nilalagay sa illegal. Ang tanong, paano nyo na-abate tong ganitong klase na kung saan nananakawan ng ating gobyerno? Dahil na nga, yung legal, ginagawa pa nilang illegal. Yung sugal, ginawa pa nilang illegal dahil nga binibiyak nila eh. So paano yung ginagawa ang pag-aaresto sa mga taong gumagawa noon? From the betting station, going to the what you call that? Yung pinaka-mother unit nila, doon dinadala yung pera. Paano nyo na-abate yung ganong klaseng sitwasyon? PNP.
Your Honor, ang na-aresto lang po natin is yung nangongolekta na walang ID, hindi po naka-uniforme. Pero kung may naipakita na ID at naka-uniforme at nakakolekta siya, then dadalhin niya doon sa
Sige.
station nila at yung sinasabi niyo po na ginagawa nilang illegal, yung illegal, hindi na po namin namomonitor yun, Your
Okay,
Honor.
PCSO. So, paano ginagawa nyo sa ganitong klase ng problema? Na kung saan, dito, alam mo, dito kayo nananakawan ng bilyon-bilyon, ha? Ha?
Mayroon pong guaranteed monthly retail receipts yung aming STL.
Merong
Guaranteed monthly retail receipts.
Oh,
na,
yan. Yan yung napag-usapan natin sa committee on, kumbaga, nakaasa kayo doon sa monthly na binibigay. So, hindi nyo na tinitignan kung ginagawang illegal o legal yung pinapasok na pera. As long as nag-guaranteed kayo sa perang matatanggap nyo, that's it and that's all.
Opo.
Ay, naku po.
Mr. Chairman,
Asan ang moral fiber nyo? PCSO.
Sir, siguro, baka sa law
Ha?
enforcement
Pati di nyo
agency na
tulungan
po
yung ating mga
siguro.
PNP.
Di naman
You have
siya
to have a
makiki-
guidelines and policy to check
Mr.
yung
Chairman.
mismong sugal na binibigyan nyo ng prangkisa. Hindi laging pera na lang nasa isip nyo. Di ba?
Basta po, legal sa amin sila. Kasi sila yung aming authorized
No,
STL.
what we're trying to say right now, right here, that your policy is not good. Bakit? Kasi, basta nakatanggap kayo ng pera, kahit sa illegal yan, tatanggapin namin. That's it? Yes or no?
Sorry po, hindi na namin alam na illegal. Basta po sila
Yun na nga
ay
hindi nyo alam na
STL
illegal
agent namin.
Can you kindly, Mr. Chair, invite natin yung sinong PCSO chairman ngayon?
Chairman, Juni Kua po.
Si Mel Robles? Sige, we'll be inviting them over to find out the policy regarding din sa binibigay na pera na hindi, kahit na sa manggaling yung binibigay, as long as natanggap na nila, that's it and that's all. Di ba?
Mr. Chair,
Oh, yes, MBI. Then, Mr. Erwin Tulfo, Congressman Erwin. So, si Attorney Santiago, please.
Yes, sir. Mention ko lang, sir, si GM Mel Robles, sir. Pinatawag po kami sa opisina niya. Ito po yung diniscuss niya precisely. Yung meron nga pong legal at meron yung illegal. Nag-operate po kami dito po sa may stop and shop sa Manila. So, ang nangyari po kasi, merong legal, a few steps away yung illegal. Ang nangyayari, yung legal nakasara. So, bali, parang ituturo, doon yung isa. So, yung mga bettors, lumalabas, doon sila lahat pumupusta, sir,
Sa illegal.
sa illegal. So, na-operate naman natin yun, sir, at pending pa rin siya. At doon na nga, meron nga pong tumatawag. At kilala naman po dito yung sinasabi na pinaka-operator, kulang lang po talaga sa ebidensya. Ngayon po, nabanggit po ni Congressman Tulfo na wala po nakakasuhan ng malaking tao, public official. Maganda rin po dito sa amendment ng batas, hindi lang po yung penalty, pati po yung pagpapalakas ng investigasyon. Halimbawa po, ipasok natin dito yung technical aspect na para masama sa ebidensya at mapatibay. Kasi ngayon po, hindi naman talaga yung mga malalaking tao, hindi mo talaga makita yung involvement nila unless meron po tayong technical aspect. At makikita po dito lahat ng high-ranking public officials na sumasawsaw dito, makakasuhan po natin, sir.
So now, it is confirmed, no? Nako-confirm na natin that yung kinukuha sa mga betting station ay binibiyak at dinadala sa illegal. At sino ang mga nagdadala sa illegal?
Chairman.
Yan ang mga tanong eh. At now I realize that really, yung pinag-uusapan namin kanina ni Congressman Acop, from the betting station, which is allowed by the PCSO, and because the policy of the PCSO is kahit sa legal yan at illegal, tanggapin natin, di ba? At pagkatapos, pagdating ng mga kinubra nila, doon nila hinahati. And now it is being confirmed by the, you are from NBI.
Yes, sir.
From NBI.
Chairman.
So, okay. Sige, Congressman Paduano.